Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to send email using NodeMailer in Node.js. To start, you'll need to set everything up so you can just run npm init-y. Next, we'll install the required packages by running npm install. You'll need two packages, NodeMailer and .env. I've already installed these, so I won't be installing them again here. Moving to the code, let's first import NodeMailer by requiring it. And then we'll require .env to access our environment variables using config. After the require step, we'll be using create transport. Let's paste create transport here, setting it up with the Gmail service since we'll be using Gmail. Now, enter the Gmail account you're using. Next, we'll add the password by setting process.env.app_password. With that, our transporter is created. Now we'll set up our mail options. Copy this section and create const mail options and paste the setup here. This is where you enter the name or brand of the sender. Then, add your Gmail address or another email if you're sending from a different account. For testing, I'll leave the recipient email as my own. You can also add multiple addresses if you'd like to send the email to more than one person. Next is the subject, which you can customize, and the text for the body of the email. If you prefer, you can also include an HTML body. To send the email, we'll create an async function named sendMail, which takes the transporter and mail options as arguments. Inside, we'll set up a try-catch block for error handling. We'll add a console log to output any errors. Now use await transporter, sendMail, mail options, to actually send the email. Now we add console, log, sent, to confirm when an email goes through successfully. With this function in place, you can use it anywhere in your application to send emails. Just call sendMail, pass in the transporter and mail options, and that's how you can send email using NodeMailer in Node.js. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.